Here's a tool you can use the next time anxiety starts to climb. It's called the Physiological Sigh, and the best part is your body already knows how to do it. Take a normal breath in through your nose. Now, right at the top, take one more short sip of air. Then let it all out slowly through your mouth. Long, slow, easy. Do that 2 or 3 times. That double inhale helps reinflate the tiny air sacs in your lungs, and the long exhale sends a powerful message to your nervous system. The emergency is over. It's one of the fastest ways to bring your body out of fight or flight and back toward calm. Will it fix everything? No, but it gives you something incredibly valuable, a calmer moment. And calmer moments are where better decisions and lasting change begin. Save this video so it's there when you need it. And if anxiety is controlling your life more than you'd like, DM me calm and let's talk about changing the pattern, not just managing the symptoms.